This is the best product for men. This product name is Listerine Total Care Anti-Cavity Fluoride Mouthwash. Listerine Total Care Anti-Cavity Fluoride Mouthwash are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best Listerine Total Care Anti-Cavity Fluoride Mouthwash from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and out her information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. About this item, Fluoride Anti-Cavity Mouthwash. Twin pack of 1 liter family size of Listerine Fluoride Anti-Cavity Mouthwash in fresh mint flavor to improve oral health, helping to prevent cavities, strengthening teeth, and leaving a clean feeling you can taste 6-in-1 benefits. Fluoride-rich mint mouthwash offers 6 dental hygiene benefits in 1 oral rinse. To kill germs that cause bad breath, strengthen teeth, help prevent cavities, restore enamel, clean your mouth, and freshen breath. 50% stronger teeth. Anti-cavity fresh mint remineralizing mouthwash freshens breath, while strengthening teeth. 50% more than brushing alone. According to laboratory studies versus brushing alone protects day and night. Help protect your mouth by adding a 60-second rinse of this powerful anti-cavity total care mouthwash to your morning and evening oral care routines. ADA accepted. With approximately 14 weeks of supply, this multi-benefit oral rinse in a refreshing fresh mint flavor helps prevent tooth decay and is accepted by the American Dental Association's ADA Seal of Acceptance Program. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find the product links.